You guys can see here goes the bars on the NTcrawler. These were made custom. I'll leave the link below for the guy who made them if you guys want to contact him. So if you guys can see, I actually don't like these wires hanging on the side of the bars. It doesn't look clean. So what the Brian did, the one that custom these bars, he actually did a gap here if I wanted to run the wires inside the bars, and then there's another hole here that come out. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm actually gonna retake them out and sliding the two wires inside the bar so it could look clean. The only thing that's gonna be actually showing is gonna be the brake line and the clutch wires. Let me know what you guys think. Bars are 1.25 inches from side, and an inch on the grips, and an inch clamp. But here goes the bike, how it looks with the new bars. They look better than the drag bars. Actually, the drag bars, I was leaning forward with lower back. It's an issue with that, riding for a long time. So I decided to switch these custom made. Also, what I'm gonna do with the turn signals. Sorry, my bike is dusty. It's because we're working on the little Beetle. I still have my cover on, but I guess all this dust came on the bottom. But so I made a bracket. So if you guys can see that bolt right here, this is where I'm going to install the turn signals, and they're not going to be straight coming out like this. They're going to be facing like to, I don't know, 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. So this is how it's going to look. I'm just waiting for my my mechanic right now to help me out install these bars. But as soon as you get here, we're going to get this started, and you guys are going to watch step by step. I'll make sure I record it, guys, so stay tuned. Guys, first of all, I'm going to show you guys the tools that you guys need for this installation. What you guys are going to need is a T27L. You guys are going to need a T45 star socket, and you guys are going to need a 1/4 and Loctite. Don't forget that Loctite, because that's the most important thing in this project. You guys are going to need the T27 for the top screws to remove your housings for both sides, left and right. Your 1/4, you guys are going to use it for your clamp bolts. And well, this one I'm going to use it today. The T45, I'm going to use it to remove the forks bolt to add my turn signals there. And the Loctite, I'm going to use it actually all the bolts except these top ones. I'm going to use it for the clamp screw. Also, get yourself a towel, put it over your gas tank, because once you guys remove your bolts from your clamp, your whole bar is going to go forward. You don't want to scratch your gas tank. Alright, you guys can see, remove the clamp. This is what I was telling you guys. Make sure you guys got a towel there, because it moves forward, and right now it's hitting the tank. So I got my bolts removed. What I'm gonna do right now, you know what, I'm not even gonna end up removing the housings, just because I'm gonna end up removing just the wire, remove the protector, and so I don't gotta be removing all that and taking more time. I'm just gonna remove the 2 clamps on each side. I believe it has 3, or if not, I'm gonna end up cutting it and then soldering it together, so like that I don't gotta be removing all that. So let's get to that part. Alright guys, so just finished removing the left housing. If you guys can see, we have the hole right here that we're gonna end up sliding the whole wire in, and there's another hole here. Right now I'm gonna end up removing the right side, guys. So the right housing is out. Remove the 2 bolts on the bottom and the one on the top, and this one slides already. I'm not gonna end up removing it all, just because the hole's right here and I don't need to remove it all. So right now what we're gonna do actually gonna disconnect it from, we're actually gonna have to cut it and then, like I said, put it together, just because, well, what I saw on the housing on the top, it has 3 of them, and I really don't want to disconnect them from there and then weld them in, because it's going to be a little bit harder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end up cutting the wire in half and then solder them together and just put that adhesive rubber to cover it from any water or debris, and then start putting everything together. So here you go. Alright, you guys, here you go. I installed the custom 1.25" with 1-inch bars to the NTcrawler. So this is it right here. I also relocated the turn signals. I'm gonna see, I actually made this bracket, but I'm actually gonna powder coat them black. But here you go, this is the design I was looking for. Go sideways. It wasn't too hard. Also what I did, like I told you guys, first the wires were hanging. As of right now, they're already inside the bars. Everything started the bike. Our battery is dead, so I'm gonna charge the battery before I try to start the bike. But here you go. Let me know what you guys think about the new bars. Still gotta adjust them. Didn't tie them that much. Gotta clean my garage right now, that's why I pulled this one out. But here you go. Give you guys a little glitch from the back. Perfect height. I believe I got 8-inch high. I think it was 8 across, 1.25", 1 inch, and 1 inch. Alright, you guys, till next mod, peace out.